In today's video, I'm going to teach you what type of content to post on Instagram to get leads for your business. In a landscape that's ever evolving, understanding the right strategies for 2025 is crucial. Instagram has metamorphosed from merely a photo sharing app into a business power tool, capable of driving significant growth. Now, let's dive into some proven strategies that can elevate your lead generation game on Instagram. Firstly, envision leveraging Instagram story lead magnets. Stories are a prominent feature on Instagram, and integrating lead magnets directly into your stories can attract potential customers right where they spend most of their time. Consider offering free resources or exclusive insights to entice your audience to swipe up or click through to your landing page. Next, Instagram ads with lead forms are a vital tool. These ads can be crafted with a specific call to action that enables users to provide their information easily, all within the Instagram app, and making the lead collection seamless and user-friendly. This strategy works particularly well for businesses looking to automate their lead generation process. Another impactful strategy is bio link optimization. Your Instagram bio is valuable real estate. Use this space wisely to include a strong call to action and a link leading users to a well-constructed landing page. Ensure the link is trackable to monitor its effectiveness and optimize your strategies accordingly. When it comes to engaging with your audience in real-time, Instagram live lead generation can be remarkably effective. Hosting live sessions invites interaction and provides a platform for real conversations, turning casual viewers into potential leads as you directly address their questions and concerns. Automation is another game changer, offering scalable lead generation. Tools like chatbots can engage with followers around the clock, nurturing leads even when you're offline. This constant engagement keeps your audience warm and moving through your sales funnel without manual input. Consider integrating Instagram contests and giveaway campaigns into your strategy. These not only boost engagement, but can also encourage users to submit their details to participate, effectively generating leads while building excitement around your brand. Influencer partnerships can significantly amplify your reach and credibility. By collaborating with influencers whose audiences align with your target market, you can tap into a broader pool of potential leads. Ensure that these partnerships are authentic and the influencer genuinely believes in what your brand represents. User-generated content, UGC, is another powerful strategy. Encouraging followers to create content around your brand not only expands your reach but also builds a sense of community. Promoting UGC that can inspire others to engage and share their experiences, indirectly generating interest and potential leads. Finally, Instagram shopping features, like product tags, simplify the path from discovery to purchase. By tagging products directly in your posts, you're reducing friction in the customer's journey, making it easier for them to move from viewer to buyer. To wrap it up, these strategies, when tailored and implemented thoughtfully, can substantially increase your lead generation efforts on Instagram. As you synthesize these strategies into your own plan, remember to continuously test, analyze, and adapt to what your audience responds to best. Keep engaging with your community, and you'll transform your Instagram presence into a robust lead generating machine.